Hi, my name's Dolce with 2 eyes. I feel anxious when I'm high. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Noelle. If you're new here, please click that red subscribe button down below, and if you're not new here, welcome back to my channel, period. So today, as you guys know, I went to California last week. I'm lying. I went to California during spring break and I ordered some things that did not come in time. So here I am with the SHEIN haul. So this is more of a summer type thing. I mean, I'm pretty sure I ordered some things that are not for the summer. I don't know what's in this bag, to be very honest. I'm not really 100% sure what I got, but I am going to be trying all these things on for you. So without further ado, let's just get, oh my god, I cannot fucking talk today. What the so without further ado, let's get right into the video. Oh, doom 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 doom. Oh, let me stop. I thought I was James Charles. I mean, I don't want to be bitch. Hi, my name's Jochi with 2 eyes. I get anxious when I'm high. Oh, so we have a lot of stuff. Like, I'm gonna just show y'all. Y'all see that iridescent packaging is looking very nice. So I'm gonna just pull whatever out, buy whatever. I'm gonna show you guys a little video clip on the screen of what everything looks like. First thing I have is, which I don't know. Let me open it. What the fuck did I buy? So the first thing I bought was just these green leather pants. Now that I think about it, I do remember seeing these, but I didn't think I bought it. But I did. Hopefully they fit really nice. I love this color. I already know I could fuck it up. 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 Like, I feel like I could do that. So I'm excited. These are really cute. Let's see how they fit though. Maybe I should have tried it on before I did the video, but you'll see in this clip right here. Y'all watching? Y'all watching? And they also have a split hem in the side, so very cute. Y'all know the vibes. I hope these just fit not too long, because y'all know I'm short, but they be playing with me, really. The next thing we got from SHEIN is, and like I said before, if you guys have watched any of my previous videos, I range from a size extra small to a small. Most of the times I do get extra small. Am I done? The next thing I got from SHEIN is this brown shirt. You wear it like this, and then the straps come around your body like this. I'm super into brown. When I seen this, I was like, girl, that's cute. And SHEIN has a lot of stuff. If you're looking for something and you're like, damn, I can't seem to find any store that sells this, just go on SHEIN, type it up, whatever your description is, and you'll probably find it. This is really cute. I got this in an extra small, and it's super stretchy, so even if it didn't fit, it would still fit. The next thing I got from SHEIN is just this basic top. I'm just gonna try to show you. So it comes with the turtleneck, and it's kind of just like this, and it comes down low right here. You can see in this video right here. I kind of just got it mainly for the turtleneck. I'm gonna try to do the t-shirt over, the crew neck over, you know the vibes. But I also really like the style of this shirt. Not only is it for the turtleneck, but hopefully the shirt looks cute. I don't really like having under boob out too much though. It gets annoying. Pick an under boob. Bitch, I mean like side boob. I don't like side boob, but hopefully this fits kind of cute. The next thing I got from SHEIN was just a pair of sandals. I'm just gonna show y'all real quick. I thought these were super cute. This is giving Chanel, and it's hurting my soul. I hope they look cute on. Wait, let me just, it's giving Bottega as well. Oh, relax. You come on. My sizes are about a size 7. These are so nice. They're like quilted thong. I don't like thong sandals, but these is different. They're cute with a sundress, baby. Stop playing. And I'm pretty sure everything was super inexpensive. I also got another pair of shoes. I don't know why it's saying it's a size 39. I got heels. It smells like smoke. 1, 2, this is a size 39. Like, who even ordered that? Hopefully they run small and they sent me a 39. Yes, my name's Dolce with 2 eyes, ho. Oh, these are really cute. These are super pretty. Wow, it's me not knowing what foot they're on. Super duper pretty. The next thing I got from Shein was an accessory. I didn't even know I got this, y'all. Why do it look like that? I gotta see the picture because the way that this isn't being like, this is not familiar. Lady, back the up. I bought an orange bag. This is what it looks like. I just want you guys to let me know if this looks cheap, because in person, baby's giving paper bag. Hopefully the bag takes some shape once you fill it, but it's just a gold and orange bag. That's more of the color, because when it's back it's like more washed. It's a beautiful bright orange. I don't know why the fuck I got this, baby. I don't. Oh, my name so cheap, went too high. So the next thing I got from Shein was just this 2-pack of bras. Y'all, did you watch my last haul? Because I got one for $2.50, and hopefully these fit. These actually look bigger than the other ones, so I'm kind of happy. And it came with the black one as well. The next thing I got was oh my god, bitch, I'm motherfucking excited, ho. I got this cow case because why the fuck not? Like, bitch, are you dumb? And I really got it because my phone is fine. Grand reveal. This is my phone. Wait. Ah! Wait, let's just take a picture for Instagram real quick. Do you like it, y'all? That shit mini as fuck. It's hard having dogs. Like, so yesterday my grandma was here, right? And I was like, oh, can you bring one of the dogs downstairs? It's too much to handle when both of them are up here. And she's gonna say, what happens when you have 3 kids? Baby, I did not think about that. Next. The next thing I got is, I literally just bought this shirt this weekend. Oh fuck. I got this in a size small. I can already tell this is gonna fit a little big. This is how it goes. You kind of just pull the strings and then it's cute, huh? Next. I'm really scared. I don't know what the fuck I ordered, but why. The next thing I got was, oh, this I really like. I'm super excited to try on. This is the front of the top, and you kind of just tie it however you like. You could do halter, you could do back, and then it kind of just ends on this fringy note right here. Super cute. Next. So I got this in a size medium. You guys already know the cropped button up, super cute. I already had one long in the front backless as well. The front is asymmetrical, so it'll make it look even cuter. And I really like that it comes with a collar. If I want to put anything under, I could. Maybe I will. So this is super cute. Please enjoy this clip of me. The next thing I got in this haul is I don't remember this shirt. Yes, I do. I'm lying. So I always really needed a long sleeve crop, and I was like, okay, you know what? You're ordering all your stuff. Just get it. This is the perfect opportunity. What? It comes with a little scoopy neck. I just needed it, so bitch, I bought it. Then next thing I got this little 2-piece set. It's a 3-piece set actually. So it comes with a tank top. It comes with a little crop that you throw over the tank top, which I love. I think I'm gonna use this a lot separately. And then it comes with cute little boy shorts, which I find super cute because personally I don't like to wear booty shorts because my body, I have no ass. Boy shorts for me. Yo, I got some shades. Glasses can make an outfit, like not even break. They can't ever break an outfit. I actually have the same pair of these in black, and they're super dark. Baby, it's crazy. Okay, the last and the final thing I got. Oh, this is so cute. This is a shirt, right? And it doesn't look like a shirt, but it's a shirt, and it kind of just very much Y2K, very much 2000s, very much low-rise jeans, and it looks so pretty. Fuck. La 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 la. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you love this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that bell button so you guys get notified every time I upload a brand new video. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. My Instagram is Chanel.Noel. My Twitter is RealChanelNoel. And my Snapchat is just motherfucking kidding. Snapchat too personal. That's what I got Twitter for. Lord, stop. Thank you guys so much. I love you.